So you're trying to decide between Cursor and Trae AI. Both promise to be your AI coding sidekick, but they take pretty different paths. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is right for you. Cursor is an AI code editor built for serious coding inside a familiar VS Code style workflow, and it shines with documented team features, code-based understanding, and enterprise controls. Trae AI is a more ambitious AI first developer platform that mixes an IDE with broader agent style task execution. And it looks best when you want software building to feel more like delegating to an AI engineer. First up is core coding workflow. Cursor is deeper and easier to trust for day to day development because its code based indexing, agent flows, CLI, MCP support, and bug bot review features are all clearly documented and already aimed at real team use. Trae AI absolutely does coding, and its IDE plus builder style workflow looks promising, but the public proof is thinner and user feedback is still limited. Winner here is Cursor because it feels more complete and more proven for actual coding work. Second is how far the AI can go outside the editor. Cursor mostly stays focused on coding, pull requests, terminal work, and connected dev tools, which is great if you want a sharper coding machine. Trae AI pushes harder into a full agent workspace with solo, multi agent execution, browser, docs, terminal, editor, and even mobile. So it has the bigger vision. Winner here is Stray AI because it aims beyond the IDE and feels more experimental in a good way. Third is team readiness and trust. Cursor is way ahead on public enterprise signals with SSO, SCIM, audit logs, role controls, org privacy settings, centralized billing, and much stronger review volume. Trae AI has talked about sandboxing rules and security improvements, but its pricing and enterprise details are still much less transparent. Winner here is Cursor because serious teams need clarity, and Cursor gives you a lot more of it. On pricing, Cursor is much easier to understand. Cursor has a free hobby plan, then Pro starts at $20 a month, Pro Plus is 60, Ultra is 200, and Team starts at 40 per user. Trey AI does not clearly publish a verified free plan on the pricing page. Trae AI officially says it uses token based pricing with four paid tiers ranging from $3 to 100 a month. And it officially offers a 7-day pro trial, but the full public plan table is still not clearly exposed. For most people, Cursor Pro looks like the best value because $20 gets you the real experience without jumping to the expensive heavy use tiers. Trae AI could be cheaper for solo users, but you need to double check the current token limits and plan details. Check the links in the description for current pricing. If you're a professional developer, a team lead, or buying for a company, pick Cursor. If you're a solo builder, indie hacker, or you just want to test a more agent driven workflow that goes beyond code, pick Trae AI. If you care most about predictability, documentation, and trust, pick Cursor. If you care most about experimentation and possibly spending less to get started, Trae AI is the one to watch. My pick overall is Cursor because Cursor is the safer recommendation for most people right now, and the evidence behind it is just stronger. Tree AI is interesting and ambitious, but Cursor wins on maturity, transparency, and team readiness. Links in the description below. Like and subscribe if this helped.